sound quality for a smart display of its size. Vocals come through clearly while music has decent balance, but bass and volume levels are lacking compared to higher-end options. The audio is only sufficient for casual listening in smaller rooms. Google Assistant integration. As a Google product, the Google Assistant is deeply integrated into the Google Nest Hub and responds quickly to voice commands. Users can ask the Google Assistant to play music, answer queries, set timers and reminders, control smart home devices, and perform countless other tasks. The Assistant works well for basic lookup information and simple commands. Smart Home Control. The Google Nest Hub can control thousands of compatible smart home devices including lights, switches, plugs, security systems, locks, and more. With a simple voice command, users can turn devices on/off, adjust settings and monitor camera feeds. The Nest Hub serves as an effective central hub for managing a smart home ecosystem. Media playback. While many competitors offer streaming services like Netflix and Spotify built directly into their interfaces, the Google Nest Hub lacks these integrations and relies solely on YouTube Music and YouTube for media playback. However, media can still be streamed to the display from other devices via Chromecast. Design. The Google Nest Hub features a minimalist fabric-covered design that aims for an understated aesthetic. While simple and inoffensive, some reviewers consider the design to be quite boring compared to bolder options from competitors. The Nest Hub is lightweight and compact, making it well suited for use as a bedside digital photo frame. Privacy concerns. As with all smart home devices, there are privacy concerns around the massive amount of data Google collects from the Nest Hub and its array of microphones. Google has emphasized that the device only sends voice commands to the cloud after hearing the "Hey Google wake" phrase, but some remain wary of having a microphone-equipped screen in their homes. Value. At around $100, the Google Nest Hub offers reasonable value for its functionality as a smart display, smart home hub, and basic media streamer, though it lacks the advanced media features and superior audio/visual quality of higher-end competitors. Many consider the Nest Hub to be a solid entry-level smart display option. In summary, while the Google Nest Hub excels as a gateway to the Google Assistant and an effective smart home controller, its lack of native streaming services, relatively low-fidelity screen and speakers, and simplistic design keep it from competing with the highest-end smart displays on the market. However, for users focused primarily on using a screen-based interface for the Google Assistant, managing smart devices, and displaying photos, the Google Nest Hub offers adequate functionality at an affordable price. For more advanced media playback and a richer overall experience, competitors like the Amazon Echo Show and Facebook Portal offer more robust features, though at a higher cost. The Google Nest Hub is a smart display device that offers a range of features and benefits for users. One of the key advantages of the Nest Hub is its versatility. The device can be used as a digital photo frame, a smart speaker, and a home automation hub, making it a great option for users who want to streamline their smart home devices. The Nest Hub is compatible with a wide range of smart home devices, including lights, thermostats, and security cameras, allowing users to control their home environment with voice commands or through the device's touchscreen display. Another benefit of the Nest Hub is its integration with Google Assistant.